Activate drum ventilation. Set the lifting pedestal selector to up. Slowly move the following plate out of the drum. When the following plate is above the drum, please deactivate the drum ventilation. Now the empty drum can be removed from the machine. Please put the new drum centered below the following plate now. If the following plate sealing is dry, please lubricate it with the t-s-i.de lubricant, article code 9999-0002-0005. Please take care that the new drum is properly prepared. The drum preparation depends on the type of material and the packaging of the material manufacturer. Please contact us if you're not sure how to prepare the drum properly. Please set the lifting pedestal selector to down and unscrew the plug screw. Now you can move the following plate into the drum, using the two-hand operation system. As soon as the following plate has passed the sensor following plate in drum, the following plate will continue moving, automatically. As soon as only material and no more air comes out, you can close the screw plug again. Important: the selector for the lifting pedestal must always be in the down position during operation. Now please remove the plug of the ball valve for deaeration of the A component, put a suitable container, for example a disposable cup, below it and open the ball valve. Now you can deaerate the pipe and piston pump by pushing the button deaeration. Please wear safety goggles, because material can splash out due to trapped air. Make sure to release all air from the system to prevent reactive material from hardening and causing damage. After this process, attach the plug again. With deaeration, the notifications, drum A, drum changed, and drum A, deaeration, disappear, and with the new notification, drum A, drum OK, the system is ready to use. Please now apply material through the material valve until there is no remaining air in the pipes and hoses.